Go solar now. Solar is a trendy thing and many adventurous homeowners are beginning to wonder about do-it-yourself solar panels, the concept of building a solar panel system by yourself. Of course, there's a lot involved in a solar installation and there's a right and a wrong scenario for do-it-yourself solar projects. Going solar has major financial benefits. It reduces your monthly electricity costs and can even increase the value of your home. The 5-step process to do-it-yourself solar panels. 1. Design and size your system based on energy needs. 2. Purchase your solar equipment such as solar panels, inverters, and racking. 3. Install the racking or mounts for the panels. 4. Connect the solar panels to your racking equipment. 5. Install a solar inverter. There are multiple variables to consider when seeking out the best solar panels on the market. While certain panels will have higher efficiency ratings than others, investing in top-of-the-line solar equipment doesn't always result in higher savings. The only way to find the sweet spot for your property is to evaluate quotes with varying equipment and financing offers. If you want to discover how to lower the cost of getting solar panels by 85%, click the link in the description.